How to fix My Stc app login issue. Now, there are a lot of factors why you're encountering this kind of problem. But of course, you just need to make sure that you are having a stable internet connection and at least a maximum amount of signal bars. So case-to-case basis. Say for example, your login issue is about your username or ID. All you have to do is to input your phone number from here and then make sure that it is correct so that you can receive OTP or a one-time password once you logged in. If you forgot your password, just simply hit on forgot password and just simply follow on-screen prompts for you to be able to process and renew to a different password. Now, next thing to do is just simply clearing the cache and storage cookies from the application itself. Now look for your STC application, tap and hold, and go into the eye icon that will redirect you to app info. Now at the lower right of your screen, you should see clear data. Make sure to comply with both of these options like clear all data and clear cache. Once you've done that, simply relog in into your STC account and that should work. And that's it. That's how you fix My STC app plugin issue.